Chemical engineers are key to solving some of the world's biggest issues, and it's important to train the next generation with the right skills. Well, at Swansea University's Department of Chemical Engineering, they focus on sustainability, research and collaboration with industry to equip future chemical engineers. From Swansea University, I'm joined now by Dr. Shirin Alexander and Dr. James Courtney. Welcome to you both. Why is it important to encourage the next generation?
The world is facing some really quite difficult challenges in the next century, and it's really important that we equip the next generation with the right skills and training to take on those challenges and to provide a prosperous future. Really focusing on being able to overcome and achieve some of the goals that we have to provide a sustainable future. So such things as the UN sustainability goals, really equipping them with the skills and knowledge about water, fuel and the energy sector that's coming along. Not just in terms of engineering, but really in terms of entrepreneurship and how to form the business and industries of the future. So encouraging students to take part in things like Invent for the Planet and to really harness those challenges and embrace them to provide a prosperous future.
How does Swansea University support them?
Well, we tend to work alongside the students in order to make them ready for the global challenges. And for that, we tend to use our research into our teaching. So our internationally renowned academics, they use their own research and implement that into their teaching in order to make the student up to date with the real challenges that is out there at the moment, not just the fundamental research, but just up-to-date real situations. And one of the examples for that is final year undergraduate students, they work as a group to solve the challenges such as sustainability and circularity. And also our postgraduate research students, they directly work in the research area related to water, decarbonization, renewable energy, and healthcare industry.
So that collaboration then between industry, that next job, and academia is important. Why?
It is very important, especially for Swansea University, that it was created based on collaboration with industry. We can see that in our research, like more than 50% of our research fund, it comes with the collaboration with industry in all those areas that is a real issue at the moment, such as energy storage through hydrogen, batteries, water purifications through ozones and other issues, for example, decarbonizations, circularity such as CO2 utilizations. And also we implement that relationship with industry in our teaching as well. Our final year master students, they go in industry in their final year 2 days a week, and that helps them to understand the real situations and issues and get them prepared for their next step in their career and boost their employability as well.
So sustainability, James, obviously very important. Why?
Sustainability is really a cornerstone of what we research and what we teach with the student. I myself am a lecturer in hydrogen, and that really means that my research is focused on enabling the hydrogen economy and looking what the problems are to bringing that on and into the wider world. My students join me and they come along into the real world environment. So recently we took them along to a hydrogen bus trial that was taking place in Pembrokeshire, for example. But it's not just about hydrogen, it's also about closing the loop in terms of the circular economy. So looking at carbon dioxide, not just in terms of carbon capture, but actually using that to add value to products and creating sustainability as a focus across all industries. So whether that's sustainable packaging or whether that's looking at the healthcare industry with medical devices.
So James, there's a lot of research then obviously going on at the university, but do you take that forward into innovation?
Yes, it's really important to see that migration across the TRL levels, as we might refer to, the technology readiness levels. And so that students can really appreciate what innovation is, so they can realise that innovation and how to apply that into the market to take it forward. We do that through using some established research institutes. So one example of that is the Zinkovich Institute, which is really specialising in finite element modelling. But really it's about bringing an interdisciplinary team together to focus on a challenge, realise that innovation, and then translate that into the wider world.
Dr. James Courtney, Dr. Shirin Alexander, it's been fascinating. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
Thanks for having us.